In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from Bybit to Binance, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, I currently have $69 worth of Litecoin on my Bybit account. And now to transfer the funds from Bybit to Binance, you need to be on the Bybit Assets tab, so exactly this page, and under your balance on the bottom of your screen, you will see many crypto coins and stable coins. Okay, so now let's say that you want to withdraw your funds. In my case, I will need to withdraw my Litecoin because I'm using Litecoin, but if you want to transfer your funds to Binance using other crypto, it's the same process. Alright, so what you need to do next is to click on the withdraw right here, so on the right side of the screen of your crypto coin you want to transfer to Binance. Here you can select your desired coin you want to transfer, and for the wallet address you need to put your own wallet from Binance where you want to transfer the funds. So for example, in my case, if I want to transfer my Litecoin to Binance, I have to copy and paste my Binance Litecoin deposit wallet right here. Now put your desired amount you want to transfer to Binance. In my case, I will transfer everything, so $69 worth of Litecoin. And as you can see, a new withdraw pop-up appeared, and here you can check if your crypto address where you want to transfer your funds is correct, and also check the amount, and after that click on submit. And as you can see, it says withdrawal application submitted. Transferring your funds from Bybit to Binance is going to take on average like 5 to 10 minutes. It depends which crypto you are sending. As you can see, I just transferred my funds from Bybit to Binance successfully. Peace out.